go to Kronos.
Alright.
Let's go to Kronos.
Yeah. Woo!
Alright.
It is our quest.
Oh boy, another loading screen.
It's an adventure. We're on it.
Ooh, news.
It's hard.
Hardest one is
Eviscerator.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Well, you know, he drops it on his phone.
Yeah.
Are you the governor of California?
Governator.
The governor.
Somebody smoking a cigar too.
Yeah.
I've never seen a robot that smokes cigars.
It's a remote.
Yeah, hardware store. Come on, man, it's just a robot. How much left?
Pull on your leg.
How low can you get?
I'm kidding.
I mean, you look like an idiot.
So they're accusing me and Festus of hurting Courtney Gears.
Courtney Gears.
Oh no! Oh no! Jeez.
Jeez. Yeah, messing with it. Gosh.
Oh no! Red zone.
Red zone.
And now we gotta fly some more.
Not red zone. Dready zones.
Destroy all humans. Ah!
With crypto.
Cryptosporidium 136.
Yes. Talk Jack Nicholson. Pox talks like Invader Zim, even though I've never seen that show before.
Then how do you know what he sounds like?
Because I know, because like I've seen clips and stuff of it. Like I've seen it talk.
Okay, so here we are on the planet Kronos, like he said. Ah, Festus. Come on now.
Hang on, I'm not done yet.
And now we can unlock one of my favorite weapons, the fusion rifle. Yes.
Wait a minute, isn't this the map where we always fight against each other and you always win?
Yeah.
Because of the ship?
Yeah.
Ah!
Now this is fun because I can snipe. Unfortunately, they still see me, but...
Ah!
Fusion rifles. Uh-oh.
Fusion rifles.
Shoot the enemies. Oh, watch out, dude. And then boom. Ah, the turrets. What's above me? Oh, gee. I just love to watch him suffer.
Jeez.
Pervert.
You meant as much. Love to watch people suffer. What's the matter with you? Gosh.
You must destroy ship.
Ah.
I did it. Kill it all. I'm on my way. Dude, come back. Whew. Boom, boom. Kaboom, kaboom. Watch out behind you. Festus, you coming?
This is the nerdy turret. Fun to put my own crap.
Die! Whoa. Ow. Let's go. Kaboom. Kaboom. Ow. Turret. What? Watch out! Ah!
Okay, you have to go like this back.
I can?
Yeah.
Don't like him?
No, I'm getting tired of him.
Oh, okay.
I'm Mr. Magnet Cannon.
Okay. Awesome. Ah! It's Optimus Prime! What's up, man? You gave it to me because I was almost out of ammo. You were almost out of ammo, didn't you?
Oh, I was out of ammo.
Oh, you jerk. Oh, now I'm out of ammo. I still got the rifle. You're a jerk. You did that on purpose.
Well, yeah.
Let's go. Alright, now my favorite part is the grind cable.
Yeah.
One of them shoots across the line while the other one grinds. It's
I fall.
You missed anyway. Hang on, dude. I'll get you. Dude, didn't this happen last time?
Yes, in fact it did.
Okay.
I'm getting a sense of deja vu.
Didn't this happen last time? I just can't believe you jumped right off.
Oh gosh.
You defend me, I'll hack. Whoops, wrong one. Okay, hack these arms. You just jumped right off. Like, ah! Oh, come on. There we go, come on.
I thought I was gonna grind.
Whoa, dude, help. Okay, that's one. I'm gonna do it again. Come on. Okay, we're good.
Yeah.
Just.
Okay, here I
Keep
go.
seeing you jump off.
I'm gonna grind. Oh no!
What a loser. Oh wow, you only beat me by like 5, so.
Wow.
That's okay, 82 to 87.
Yeah.
That's not bad.
It's Craig rules.
Wow.
Yeah.
What?
Craig rules.
Who's Craig?
Crank.
Oh, Craig.
Yeah.
Defeat Shellshock.
Shellshock.
Hold on.
That sounds easy enough, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Sure. I mean, you can't possibly be that hard.
Nah. Ah. Okay, here we go.
Alright. Having fun?
Go. I'm kidding.
Oh. I was that close.
There you go. Okay, I'm done. I'm done having fun.
No!
I
Oh.
didn't mean to do that.
That was close.
Here you go. Ah, dang it!
I still
I
fall.
didn't mean to do that, I swear.
This whole time I'm trying to get burger. I still fall. Ah.
There we go. You should respawn like right next to me. There we go.
I want to grind at least once.
Fine, here. Grind.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll see you later. Whoa! Great, now I'm over here. Hang on. Go. Oh.
That's magma cannon. Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Go. Oh, whoops.
You know,
Uh-oh, here he comes. Oh my gosh. Oh my no. Oh my yes.
Mr. Schwarzenegger.
Whoa.
Ah.
Each boss is going to represent a political advisor. In this one, or a political person. In this one, it's Arnold Schwarzenegger.
The next
Kill
one,
Arnold Schwarzenegger.
The next one will be Rush.
Yes.
Or whichever one it looks like.
Yeah.
Oh no, it could be Condi. You never know.
Who?
Condi.
Gandhi?
No,
I mean,
no, Condi.
who's Condi?
Condoleezza Rice.
Oh,
Condi.
watch out.
Ah.
Kaboom. I've never heard her called Condi.
Yeah. There's called
Is that
Condi
supposed to be
all the time.
racist?
No.
Are you being racist?
No.
Oh, good.
Bush called her Condi all the time.
Hold on, we need to get some ammo.
Little Condi.
Alright, let's go. Whoa! I took down the ship. Loser. Woo! Kaboom! Kaboom! Alright! I killed 17, you killed 10. I'm so much better than you at everything. You should just go home and throw a brick at everybody's faces.
I can't even pick up a brick.
Pick up a brick wall and throw it at her face.
I can't pick up a brick. I'll turn emo. Slit my wrist.
Survive the grind rail. Oh boy, the grind rail. I call the two vipers. Ow. Shoot! Shoot! Alright, hang on. Any new weapons? No.
No,
Let's
new
go.
weapons.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Wait for me! Alright, we're good. Shoot! There's snipers! Darn it! There. Alright. Alright, let's go. Hollow shield! Whee! Alright, ready? Here we go. Grind! Grind like your life depended on it. And it kinda does. Kaboom! Keep up with me.
Whoa.
What do you know? He drops something on the floor.
Yeah.
Are you the governor of California? Let's go to Kronos.
Alright.
Let's go to Kronos.
Yeah. Whoa.
Alright.
It is our quest.
Oh boy, another loading screen.
It's an adventure. We're on it.
Ooh, news.
It's hard.
Right. Hardest one is this.
Eviscerator.
Yes. Pneumonia.
Governator.
The governor.
Somebody smoking a cigar too.
Yeah.
I've never seen a robot that smokes cigars.
Dude, it's a remote.